In this video, I'll guide you through how to sort emails by size in Gmail. This is really helpful if you're running out of storage space or if you just want to quickly find and delete those large attachments that are taking up room in your account. First, open Gmail in your web browser. You can do this on any modern browser like Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari. Make sure you're signed into the account where you want to sort and clean up emails. Once Gmail has loaded, you'll be on your main inbox page where you can see your usual list of emails. Now, instead of manually scrolling through your inbox and guessing which emails are large, we're going to use Gmail's built-in search tools. Look towards the top of the page for the search bar. This is the same bar you normally use to search for senders, subjects, or keywords, but it can also be used to filter emails by size. Click once in the search bar to place your cursor there. To tell Gmail you want to find large messages, you'll type a special search command. Type larger 10M. That's the word larger, followed by a colon, and then 10M with no spaces in between. This tells Gmail to show you all emails that are larger than 10 megabytes. If you want to adjust the size limit, you can change the number. For example, larger 5M will show you emails bigger than 5 megabytes, while larger 20M will focus on only the really big ones. The letter M always stands for megabytes here, and it must come right after the number without a space. Once you've typed the command, press enter on your keyboard. Gmail will now run a search across your entire mailbox using this filter. In a moment, you'll see a list of emails that are at least as large as the size you specified. You might notice that Gmail doesn't visually show you the exact size of each email in this list, but rest assured everything you're seeing is at or above the threshold you entered. These are usually messages with big attachments like videos, large photo sets, or big documents. From here, you can go through the results and decide what you want to keep or delete. If you're trying to free up space, look for old emails with large attachments that you no longer need. You can open an email to double check what it contains, download any attachments you want to keep to your computer or cloud storage, and then delete the email from Gmail. After you delete messages, remember that they usually go to the trash folder and still count against your storage until the trash is emptied. If you want to clear space right away, open the trash, review its contents briefly, and then empty it to permanently remove those messages. You can repeat this process with different sizes to gradually clean up your account. For instance, start with larger 20M to get rid of the biggest emails, then move down to larger 10M, and finally larger 5M if you still need more space. And that's all there is to it. By using the search bar with the larger command, you can quickly find your biggest Gmail messages and keep your inbox lean and within its storage limits.